Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to Townline Equipment's 49th annual open house. This year, our first virtual open house. We're going to bring everything we can to you. So we're going to start with a ride along. We're going to show you our north lot that has our compact equipment, come down the lawn with some of our hay tools, and end up in the south lot that has our bigger tractors and commercial equipment. Come along. So welcome to our north lot. We affectionately call this the Kubota Garden. We've got a great display out here of compact, subcompact tractors, our gas and diesel zero turns. As we move over to our used equipment, we have a great selection of full-size commercial excavators headed down the road to 50, 60 horsepower tractors and some skid steers and wheel loaders too. Here we are in our south lot. We have a full line of the Kubota excavators, a number of cab tractors from 50 to 100 horsepower, and compact wheel loaders. As we move down the front lawn, this is our Kuhn GF 7802 27-foot tedder. We have rakes and mowers too. Well, this is a great matchup, M5091 12-speed tractor with a New Holland BC 5070 baler. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got to see some cool stuff. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and our website for more information about Townline's virtual open house, including some giveaways, some thank yous, and some fun contests. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you soon.